Welcome back. Today we are starting our Pytorch introductory sessions. What is Pytorch? Pytorch is a new deep learning framework which is highly dynamic and tensor based. This framework is a rising star on the sky of deep learning and very popular, especially by research. But first of all, we just going to download and install Pytorch in our Watson Data Science Experience workbook. Just go to pytorch.org, then scroll down to the Get Started section, and then here you have a selection for our Watson Data Science Experience notebooks. We need operating system Linux. We need package manager pip, and we select Python 2, Python 2.7, and we don't use we don't select CUDA because we don't have at least at the moment we don't have GPU acceleration there. And then you have here these 2 lines of code. Just copy them and go to your Jupyter notebook, and then you can paste them, and you have to place exclamation marks at the beginning of the line before pip, and then you just execute this. And I don't execute it because I have already installed Pytorch in my environment. And then you can test it. If you import Pytorch, you see everything went smoothly and everything is fine. So see you then in the next session. Then we are going to look at the important packages of Pytorch and do some interesting things. Bye bye.